How to import products within your Shopify store. So you have two ways to import products within your Shopify store. The first one is simply click on the product importer. So it will take you to the product importer. Now let me just go back real quick. And then the second is from the menu on the left side, you simply click on products and it will take you to the same window, which we call it the product importer. This is where the products are being imported, selected, and filtered. Here you have three main sections. One section is for the import filters. You can import products based on all these filters: price, genders, condition, size availability, stock availability, categories, locations, and brands. I will just click on one just so you know how to filter. This is minimum price, that's maximum price. Please note that when you filter by price, you're filtering the brand's gateway price. Then there is this other section where the slider is. The slider shows how many products you have imported and to be imported within your store based on these filters here applied, and it's indicating you into which plan you belong now. Right now, based on my selection, I belong within the grow plan. Then the third section is the product section, which is showing all the imported products that you have within your store. What's interesting here is that if you click on the item, you can see all the information about the item. Another interesting feature is that if you don't like a product, you can simply exclude it from your store. It won't be displayed within products. It won't be counted within your plan selection. You can reverse this by simply clicking on these two arrows, and the product will be displayed within your store. After you're ready with the selection, after you have decided which products you want to import, you simply click on Import Products. See this confirmation dialog, proceed, or come back to filter more, and then you are taken to the dashboard. Within the dashboard, you can monitor the product import process at this window, which is showing you the total products, the number of products to be imported, the products remaining to be updated, and estimated time of completion. That's how the product importer works. Please note that it takes a little time for the products to be imported, from 20 to 30 seconds, or up to a minute for the product import to start. If you have any additional question, feel free to visit the help desk that you have here on the left side, or contact support using the following methods. Thank you so much for your attention and hope this helps.